Ah, hi there. Everybody's hungry. I guess we better make some food. Never happens at your house. I can just imagine. So what do we got? Well, we got one of my favorites. I love a good pasta. And I love a good pasta sauce I don't have to work hard for. So, what I got here is some Roma tomatoes. Put a little tomato paste on top. You can see I'm using the tube. Probably looks really terrible on camera, but here we go. So I got 3 Roma tomatoes and an onion. Put them in the oven, a little toaster oven thingy, 400 degrees for about an hour. You want everything to get nice and brown and all roasty looking. And I got garlic. About 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. Little salt, little olive oil, wrapped in foil. Roasted in the oven the same time. And oh yeah, they are perfect. Here you go, have a look. Little peeled, little salt. Okay. What's pasta without basil? Including the overpriced leaves I have to wash off because I'm not letting that go to waste. Yes, herbs cost too much for me. So, yeah, believe it or not, you take your onion, you slice it up, take your 3 tomatoes, cut them in half, after you remove the top, of course. Little tomato paste, salt, olive oil, 400 degrees in the oven. And all you need is some pasta and some salad to go with it. So let's put some onions in there. Yeah, you can see I'm grabbing them now because they are cold. I just put this stuff in the oven, let it roast a while ago. Came back and I'm making dinner. So voila. Ta-da. Yeah, cooking is that easy. It really is. The tomato paste has a nice firm crust on it, of course. You can see the tomatoes up close here. That's the back. Yeah, roasted tomatoes. Ta-da! Cooking is easy, trust me. All right, that's about 95% of it. So, roasted onions and tomatoes, roasted garlic, and too much basil. Yeah. Let's throw stuff around the kitchen. Yeah, throwing stuff around the kitchen. A little bit of red pepper flakes in there. And so the thing you do now, after you pick up everything you threw around the kitchen, is blend it all up. And there's your pasta sauce. Okay. Go ahead and give that a try. Might need a little oil. A little salt maybe. But that's basically it. Oh, that's pretty good. Let's try that again, though. Okay. It actually needs a little black pepper. A little bit of overpriced olive oil. And just for fun, I'm going to throw in some salt. Notice my scientific measuring technique. All right. Dinner. So I'm going to serve that up with a salad. And about half a box of penne. And yeah, dinner is that easy. It's hot here in California, so I want to cook as little as possible. And get a haircut eventually. Let's see. So, 3 Roma tomatoes, cut in half. Covered with a little tomato paste. 1 onion, cut to slices. A little oil, a little salt, roasted in the oven, 400 degrees for about an hour. Do the same with some garlic. Just peel some garlic, wrap it in foil with salt and olive oil, have that in the oven at the same time, throw it all in there. So, that is the easiest, instantest, well, I shouldn't say the easiest, but the almost easiest, almost instantest pasta sauce I've experienced. So this is social media. Please be good social citizens and subscribe and all of that good stuff. Thank you. Goodbye.